you're an A&P or if you're a mechanic at all or whatever, you know that quality tools really make the difference between, something that's going to go well and something that you're just going to have to try to figure out a workaround. And if we know anything in aviation, we know that workarounds don't always work out so well. So we will go through the tools that are pretty common in the industry. And I'll tell you this, these tools that we're going to talk about today and that we have on the table are not the highest priced tools out there. You can really, you've got the guy with the Craftsman toolbox that gets along just fine. And then you got the guy with the Snap-on Behemoth toolbox that costs more than the Craftsman toolbox's house mortgage. And so at the end of the day, you can get the job done with both levels of tools. But if you go to the guy with, and I won't mention any company names, but a really cheap non-aviation set of tools, then you get into a safety issue. All right, because we can't really meet the FAA's requirements for certain tasks if we don't have the tool that will allow us to perform that task, right? So I'll give you an example. These guys here, and I think, Kellen, you might have brought these up. So you're probably familiar with this type of a wire stripper crimper. So you have, in this particular one, you have various stripping options at the top, and then you have a crimp down here. Okay. The only reason I would carry these is because I can actually properly cut a machine screw. On this one I've got everything from a 540 all the way up to a 1024. And so it's the only reason I would carry this in my toolkit. I don't use this for stripping wire, and I definitely don't use it for crimping. And if you look at the crimp jaw here, I only have one crimp option. If you're going to crimp like a ring terminal or a butt splice, you have to have a dual crimp. So here, if you look at these jaws compared to these, and I'll just pass these around, you can see that these only have one crimping surface. These actually have a dual crimping surface.